This is the Florida Healthcare Association Provider Program, brought to you by Bouchard Insurance.
Hi, I'm Emmett Reed, Executive Director of Florida Healthcare Association. Welcome to another edition of FHCA's Provider Program.
We are going to the Capitol to see our legislators. We're going to make a difference.
And we are here today to advocate for health care and Florida Promise for investing in our seniors so we can take care of them.
We're very excited about it.
This was our final Lobby Wednesday of the 2015 session, and we couldn't have been more pleased with the tremendous turnout and support from members. Over 125 caregivers from Opis Senior Services Group, Summit Care, and Page Healthcare joined us at the Capitol to advocate for our long-term care priorities.
We have had the opportunity today to meet with legislators and talk about all of the wonderful things that we do at the center and how important funding is to be able to provide the best care and reach our highest standards for all of our customers in all of our centers.
Many of the representatives that we met with today, we've met with prior, and they're happy to meet with us and let us know about the progress and how things are going. They're very open to what we're suggesting, and they definitely understand where we're coming from our plight as far as restoring our funding and getting some of our other legislation passed. It's working, Lobby Wednesdays work, and I'm happy to be a part of it.
We also welcomed our Lobby Wednesday sponsors, Bouchard Insurance and Kotler Healthcare and Development, who have been great partners throughout this important grassroots initiative. Having our volunteer leadership in town was another great way to round out our Lobby Wednesdays. We had a chance to catch up with FHCA President Joe Mitchell and our Florida Promise Chairwoman Marilyn Wood, who shared their thoughts on the importance of staying actively involved in the legislative process.
I think it's important for Opis to come here and tell the real stories about what we do every day in long-term care. So I'm really excited they had this opportunity to come to the Capitol firsthand and be able to speak out for long-term care. So it's been a great day. I'm looking forward to the remainder of it.
So Opis today, Page Healthcare, and I know there's a number of others that have made their way up here. So I wanted to express my thanks to all of you who have participated, and I think it's been a wonderful event.
It was a busy day for the association, with FHCA taking part in the Florida Senior Day and several of our priority bills advancing through committee, including Senate Bill 768, requiring hospitals to notify consumers of their admission status.
The bill passed with unanimous support. I'm just happy to be a part of that process.
The debate intensified over the low-income pool program and Medicaid expansion this week, making it unlikely the legislature will end the 2015 session with a budget resolved. Whether that means extending the current session or holding a special session this summer is still unclear. Having so many long-term care professionals in town offered a tremendous opportunity to remind lawmakers to continue protecting vital Medicaid funding throughout the process. Frontline caregivers and family members were all doing their part to share their stories.
The reason I'm here today is to see some of our senators and our representatives and let them know what we need to help the nursing home, and I've enjoyed this so much.
I am so honored to be here. It is my first time here, and I'm here because I care about people. I love people, and I care. I care about what happens to them.
As we've been reporting, both chambers' budget proposals preserve Medicaid funding in the nursing center line item, as does the governor in his recommended budget. We also remain vigilant about asking the legislature to restore almost $61 million in prior year funding cuts, which we know is important to your care delivery. Remember, you can stay up to date on FHCA's legislative activity by following our social media channels and visiting our Engage Long-Term Care Advocacy website. Until next time, I'm Emmett Reed, keeping you informed about the critical issues that impact long-term care and the providers we represent.